Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So as you can see, it's pretty big, like very big. So let's pick Greek language, and now let's try to write something in Greek language on our device. So as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. Unbelievable, yeah? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.